Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the notification when a player catch a rare fish in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay guys, when you click this chat menu, you will get a lot of notifications, right? For example, this one. This player obtained a bumblebee grouper with a 1 in 5k chance. And it's pretty annoying, especially when you want to chat with the other players right here. And I'm going to show you guys how you can disable all these chats or the notification. So first thing first, you need to go to the setting and then you're going to disable this notification, server notifications. You can click this toggle. So when the players catch fish, you won't get the notification. And this one as well, the global notification. And yeah, you will get rid of all this notification. Let's see it. Okay, now the notifications have been stopped. And you can play in peace. Okay guys, and that's how you can disable the server notification and the global notification in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.